Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing good. We are doing LanguageCert reading. This is level B2 and we are going to do part 2 of test 2. This is for level B2 and test 2 and part 2. Read the text, use the sentences to complete the text, choose the correct sentences for each gap. There is one extra sentence you will not need. So, how many questions we have? We can see there are 6 questions, I think. Yes, we have 6 questions in the passage and we will have 7 answers for it. There is one extra answer that we don't need, but that is the answer that will confuse us so much during our when we will be doing this question. So we have 7 answers: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are the answers will fit in these gaps. So what we need to do, this is also called matching that we do in IELTS. Our topic is Dartmoor. Dartmoor, we will read it and we will know what it is. Dartmoor is one of the largest national parks in the UK. It is a park. It is the largest park in the UK. In the Stone Age, it was almost completely covered in the dense forest, but only a few sparse fir and oak woods now remain. The lack of the tree cover makes it possible to see the tops of the distinctive rocky heights of the moor. Now, there were a huge jungle when it was built, but now it has few trees like oak, woods, and sparse fir, etc. Now we have a great look on the top. If we go to the top, we can see many things. So we need to locate the answer, what it would be that can match with it, with this statement that is given in the prior to it. So we will read the statements. This is the term given. There is no term. They have not talked about the terms. As a result, feeding them, no. This is not about feeding. Not least of these rich variety of wildlife it can be. Not least of these is the rich variety of wildlife to be found, but it cannot be the answer because there is no mention of wildlife. That's why the proof to be successful. No, this cannot be the answer. These were constructed over. There is not a mention of any construction. Strong walking shoes and waterproof protection are generally recommended. It can be, but there is nothing mentioned about anything dangerous or the hills or anything. So it cannot be our answer. And from the tours, as they are called, 360-degree views are to be head of the surrounding countryside. And this will be our answer. Why? Because when you go on the top, you have you can see many things, and if you can see all over the things, many things, it is called 360 view. So our answer will be G. We will write G here. Now, and what else we will do? We will not read this again. G will not be read again. So we will read the passage and we will see other options for answer, but we will not see the G. It's therefore not difficult to understand what attracts the many walkers, climber, and horse rider to this dramatic part of the world. However, if you decide to join them, be prepared for soft, muddy ground and unexpected showers. And if it happens, you are going to face muddy ground or unexpected showers. So what you should be prepared for, we have read this. A will not be our answer. As a result, feeding is not least of these. No. D, no, this will not be our answer. E, these were constructed. No. F. Strong walking shoes and waterproofs or protection are generally recommended because these are dangerous things when you are going somewhere or you are climbing over the hills and you face showers or muddy tracks. These can be the dangers. You need to have protection with you. So protection. What are the protections? Walking shoes and waterproof protection is recommended. So here we will write F. F is our answer. We will read further. Because of the frequent mist which descent getting visibility to 0 in second, it's a good idea to take a compass too. Compass can also be taken for your protection. Now, notice these sentences. Nevertheless, don't let these warnings put you off. As long as you are well prepared, Dartmoor has many natural marvels to offer. It is talking about natural marvels, natural scenery, and natural things. So, there will come the answer that will relate to the nature. So, we will have to locate what they has offer about nature in the options. So, we will read there. First, I need to read other part of it. As well as many species of the birds, insect and butterflies, you will find deer, foxes and badgers. You will find insects, birds, butterflies, deers, all the things you will find, but you will find other things as well. What are the other things? This is the term. A will not be the answer. As a result, feeding, no. B will not be the answer. C, not least of these is the rich variety of wildlife to be found. Yes, this can be our answer, C, but I need to read it further. That's why the proof to be successful. No, this cannot be the answer. These were constructed. No, and other we cannot read because they already have taken the place. So C will be the answer because we are talking about the wildlife and nature marvels. So C is the answer. Now, hundreds of what we need to do, we will mark the C as well. We will not read it again. Now, we will read further. Hundreds of the wild Dartmoor ponies also roam free. However, a number of these were killed by cars after wandering on the roads looking for tasty remains from visitors' picnic. There were ponies, the ponies are little horses. There were ponies who were killed. Why they were killed? Because there was a food leftover food by the visitors. So the ponies ate that food and they died with that food. That poisonous food was the cause of their death. So there we can see they are talking about the ponies and their deaths, and this is a threat to the animals. So they did something about the animals, and what option we can find here? First, we will read A. This is the term given. There is no mention of the term. B. As a result, feeding them is now forbidden. B is the answer because the ponies had been died due to eating tasty foods left over by the visitors. So they died. Now this is forbidden to feed them. You cannot feed anything to any animal. So answer will be B. Now we have two options left and three options left and two questions. We will read further. History is another reason for exploring Dartmoor. Some areas of Dartmoor have been inhabited for a long time. There are remains of Bronze Age settlements in the form of hut circles. Now, there are remains of Bronze Age settlements. People also visit Dartmoor Park because they want to know about the history, and why they want to, because there had been some inhabitant very long time ago. There were people who used to live here. The remains of Bronze Age. This is called the Bronze Age, and they can find remains there in the form of hut circle. Hut circle is a term. So we have already read something about term. We had the option about term. Dash, originally they would have had an earth roof supported on a wooden frame with a ring of stone holding up the whole structure. They used to make houses, these type of houses. So they have told, and what term they use for these type of houses? Hut circles. And this is the term. So this is the term. So we'll find answer here. This is the term given to stone houses of early settlers nearly 4,000 years ago. This is the answer. A. A is our answer, and this is the term given 4,000 years ago for the people who were inhabitant here. So 5 is A. Our answer for 5 is A. Now, we have two options and one question. A number of strange old bridges called clapper bridges. This is also term clapper bridge. A number of strange old bridges called clapper bridges still remain untouched. Images captured in many tourist photographs. Dash, their precise age is unknown, but they remain a memorable feature of this remarkable ancient place. Clapper bridge is also a term, but they are talking about the construction of these bridges, but they don't know when they were built. So, our option, the correct option for it will be D or E, but that's why they proved to be successful despite the wildness of the area. Or E is these were constructed over river using large flat stone placed on strong pillars. So this will be our answer E. These were constructed over rivers using large flat stone placed on strong stone pillars. So E is our last answer. We will not write D. This is the extra option they have given us to confuse us. So E is our option. So E is the right option. We have done our reading here. This is for part 2, test 2 and level B2. I hope you have understood something, and I hope we will do better, and I hope we will do it regularly, and we will be keep getting better and better. So if you have any question related to these, if you have any question related to LanguageCert, or you want to know about this test or want to book your test, you can contact us on the given number. We will help you, inshallah, and I will meet you in the next video with the third part, and we will do the third part. I will try to make it as easier as I can. For now, thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.